In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of why microgreens. Why are we growing microgreens? Why are we so passionate about sharing this with the world? Not only to buy microgreens, but how to grow them yourself and become self-sustainable and build a community. The very first reason is because they are packed with nutrients. They are up to 40 times the amount nutrient dense as their adult counterpart. So take arugula, for example. Instead of eating 8 heads of arugula, you only have to eat a couple of ounces. So they are packed with all the vitamins and minerals that we are lacking in today's food. Today's food is definitely questionable. When you're buying produce at the grocery store, we're kind of missing the whole point of the farm to table experience. There's all these middlemen, and there's, a shipping container involved. Sometimes there's harsh chemicals like pesticides and fertilizers and just poisons being used on top of our food. So why not grow your own food? Culinary aspect, I used to work in restaurants and hotels in the kitchen, and they were used aesthetically to make a plating look really pretty. But they are so delicious, packed with nutrients, but also just packed with a punch of flavor. So it just adds a little bit to your dish. So who really knows where your food is coming from, right? The second reason is because they are delicious. I'm telling you, from a flavor profile is just so much stronger at this stage in their life. The third reason why microgreens is because they're so convenient. They're so easy to grow. You don't have to wait months and months for harvest. Like if you say you don't have a green thumb, I'm telling you, microgreens is a very good gateway to start your garden. So you can grow them so easy on your kitchen counter. Even indoors in a small space. People give us excuses all the time that you need acres and acres of land to have a farm or a garden, and you really don't. We grow vertically indoors in the spare bedroom that we have converted into a green room. So there's just no excuse. They're very convenient. And the fourth reason is because you can grow them year round. With certain plants and vegetables, you have to wait till a certain time of year when it's prime, or do you live in that climate for that potentially to grow? And with microgreens, you do not need any of that. You can grow them year round. You can grow them indoors in a small space, and you only have to wait 7 to 10 days from seed to harvest. So how fast is that? And those are the 4 main reasons why we grow microgreens. And we'll see you in the next video.